credit repair hacks nobody is willing to tell you. I'm exposing it all. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott. This is part 6 of the 25-part series where I am giving you 25 secrets that credit repair businesses are going to be mad about. But guess what? I don't care. I give you the information you need to know, not what you want to hear. And guess what? If you knew better, you would do better. So that's my whole goal here, is to work with you that are action takers and all about getting ish done. Number 6 is getting Credit Repair Cloud. Most of these credit repair business owners out here or credit repair gurus on social media, this is what we all use to run our credit repair business. Credit Repair Cloud. And it's a great software. I personally use it. And for those of you that need help and just you're like, man, it's so hard. It's so much work. It is a lot of work. It is, sometimes challenging staying organized. Credit Repair Cloud software is going to help you stay, organized. There's a lot of great benefits. You can even use the cloud server to mail off your letters. It is a little bit more pricey, but for those of you that just don't have the time, it makes it a lot easier, because I'll tell you, the bulk of the time with credit repair is sending out the letters, okay? I'm a huge fan of uploading and using some online tools, but ultimately you want to send out the letters, use that in conjunction with phone calls and some online hacks that we're going to be getting into in this 25-part series. But Credit Repair Cloud is a wonderful tool to help you. You're going to get a free 30-day trial. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to sign up, check it out, be your first customer, help other people. All that you would need is the credit reports. I've left a link below for Smart Credit. They are by far the easiest to work with. You can easily import the Smart Credit report into Credit Repair Cloud and dispute everything, add them. If you need assistance or training with Credit Repair Cloud, I have a ton of videos out there, or you can just book a one-on-one call with me and we can go over. I can teach you exactly how to do it. This is why people are getting so much success when they're a part of my community, because they're doing it themselves, okay? They're not paying someone thousands of dollars for nothing, all right? And that's what people are doing. They're charging uneducated consumers thousands and thousands of dollars for credit repair or credit restoration, and they still don't know what the hell's going on. They're still going to be in that same saga of having bad credit if you're not educated. Education is a huge piece of the problem. And if you're looking to solve the problem, you need to join the credit community, because inside the credit community, you'll have access to all of the different master classes and prior recorded masteries that I have done and I've done with other people that you may recognize from social media. But there's a ton of great master classes in here, along with resources. And we meet live every couple weeks to meet and go over different things. In 2025, we're starting off learning credit repair again, okay? We go back and forth between personal credit, business credit. You're going to learn everything from A to Z. You're not going to need to have to pay someone thousands of dollars. If you want to work with me one-on-one and you want to learn how to do this, you want to learn how to, start a side hustle in credit repair where you can bring in potentially $10K or more a month, then obviously that's going to be separate. You're definitely going to need some one-on-one mentorship, because it's just going to fast track your process as a business owner. And that's exactly what I did when I first started as well. You have to make these investments to learn before you earn. But the bottom line is it's a process, okay? I spent an entire year, maybe even 2 years, really studying. Every time I was in the car, I was listening to YouTube videos. I was listening to master classes. I was listening to audiobooks. So leverage the time that you have where it's peace and quiet and you can focus, listen, because sometimes you'll need to hear this information replay in your ear a few times before it finally is like, aha, I have that aha moment and I finally get it. It clicked, because a lot of this was a foreign language to me even when I first started. Revolving and installment terms and conditions and all this stuff was so overwhelming. So I get it, but we want to just simplify it. So many people are like, I'm afraid to make a mistake. Okay, there's no right or wrong way. There's no manual that comes with credit repair on this is how you have to do it. You know, sometimes it's best to be different and think outside of the box. But ultimately, watching this series is going to help clear up a lot of maybe the confusion or doubt that you might have within yourself. You just have to learn and take action. So Credit Repair Cloud can definitely help set you there. They've got some great automations, and they've just incorporated a new billing system inside of the software as well. So if you would like to learn more about it, sign up for a free trial. I'll leave a link below, and you can even watch the video that I did with the Credit Repair Cloud owner, Mr. Daniel Rosen. It was a great podcast that we did. I'll leave the video below so you guys can watch that. But I highly recommend it. I've used pretty much every credit repair software out there, and I know Credit Repair Cloud might not be a lot of people's favorite. They might be a little pricey, but at the end of the day, they're the most dependable. They've been around for the longest, and in my opinion, it's worth every penny of what I pay them before the time that they actually save me. So I hope that helped. Make sure to watch all of the 25-part series videos on the credit repair hacks that nobody wants to share and everyone wants to charge you for, because if you knew better, you would do better. I'll see you next time.